For centuries, gold remained as an eternal favorite for Indians. When it comes to the traditional and contemporary occasions like wedding, every bride is handed with a valuable piece of heirloom jewelry before or after her wedding. Palakyamala is the best example for it. Hi, this is Ambali from Ambali's Designer Studio. This is Kerala's traditional jewelry called Palakyamala. What is Palakyamala made of? Palakyamala or leaf-shaped necklace, which is traditionally green and is made of gold and special green colored glass. However, today is available in different colors including red and violet. In this episode, I am including 1 gram gold coated jewelry. We call it as 1 gram gold jewelry. Video includes different types of one of the Kerala traditional jewelry, palakya necklace, long chain, earrings, bangles, etc. We explain how to take care of these jewelries after each use. Most important thing, you can customize these jewelries according to your own choice. What else you want? Watch this video till the end to understand each customization. This is Kerala traditional settumund or two-piece sari paired up with traditional palakya jewelry. With some more jewelry, this can be one of the Kerala bridal look. For customized palakya mala, either this chain or any chain of your choice can be attached. Here you can see special green glass ruby stones with a matching center pendant. You can customize this necklace with the center pendant and two petals or four petals or center pendant with six petals or number of petals of your choice and length. You can select the length of the chain and design also. This is another neck piece. Simple chain with palakya pendant. It's a small pendant. The pendant size is almost 1.5 inch length, 1/4 inch width. This is another chain with less width. This is another chain. This is Mang Tikka. Marti എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Bigger size of green colored pendant is also available. This is traditional green colored earring. These kind of hangings are attached. You can customize these earrings without hanging. Other than green, violet colored earring is also available. This earring is in red color. You can customize this neck piece with red or blue colored glass stones. This is kada or thick bangles. Palakya stones are placed one by one like this. When you wear it, see it's so beautiful. You don't need to wear so many bangles. This one bangle is in one hand is perfectly fine for a rich look. Bangles you can customize with violet or red colored stones. This bangle is with red colored stone. This is another type of bangle. One palakya stones at each end and you can wear like this and both the palakya stones are not attached together. The same bangle you can wear in the other way also. You can open the bangle like this and wear it. Then press from both the sides till you get a perfect bangle shape. You have to press it 2 or 3 times like this. See, till you get the shape. This is the available biggest size earring. The other one is small one. With or without hanging, you can customize these earrings. When you wear this one, the long one, it comes till here, the length. And the small one, just to show you the length. See, like this. This is Mang Tikka. During wedding occasions, you can wear like this. This is Kashimala. This is also 1 gram gold coated ornament. This is made up with 1 gram gold coated coin. Now, how do you maintain this jewelry? First thing, it should not come in direct contact with body spray or perfume. Means when you spray perfume, be very careful. You should not spray it on top of jewelry. Second thing, after each and every use, you have to wash the jewelry with soap and water. Washing is very important. Normal tap water you can use. Wash it with soap and water. You can use brush to gently wash off. Why I am asking you to wash? Because the oil from the air and dirt from environment on the jewelry may spoil its color. After washing, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth. You can let it dry outside for some time. Then you can store it in your jewelry box. If you maintain the jewelry this way, the color will remain as it is for long time. These are the two things you should take care while using the jewelry. First one, the jewelry should not come in direct contact with any perfume. Second one, wash with soap and water after each and every use. Those who like the collections and want to place the order or customize according to your choice, please contact me through 9769362268 or 1669 234 6555.